Can you tell me what time is it? Tunghayan natin si JJ, isang batang grade 2, pero hindi pa marunong magbasa nung unang araw niya sa IVFC. Pero tingnan natin kung gaano na siya kagaling. What time is it?
12:40.
What time is it?
12:30.
What time is it? What time is it?
12:15.
What time is it? What time is it?
12:10.
What time is it?
12:05.
What time is it?
11:20.
What time is it?
11 o'clock.
What time is it?
12 o'clock.
What time is it?
11:30.
What time is it?
11:40.
What time is it?
11:25.
What time is it?
11:15.
What time is it?
11 o'clock.
What time is it?
10:30.
What time is it?
12:30.
What time is it?
10:30.
What time is it?
10:15.
What time is it?
10 o'clock.
What time is it?
9:15.
What time is it?
9 o'clock.
What time is it?
8:30.
What time is it?
9:30.
What time is it? What time is it? This project is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Just remember, this is my personal advocacy and it is free. Anyone may join.